I will be human, but I will be with the animals. I will be human, but I will be with the trees, viruses, minerals, waters, coyote, people. We are all doing this dance, but less often together. It's more fun together to live and die with each other. Let's make a music that is always responding to what is happening now, not reaching for a picture, working to connect all of the elements that make this time and this place and this moment. And let's practice this music until we start to remember how our rhythm, our heart, our breath can be synchronized with the rhythms around us, how we can use that connection to learn, and we can use that learning to make a stronger connection. As humans, we are in love with ourselves. We are in love with our own music, with our own speech, our own sounds. But the waterfall likes to hear its music too. The bird, its music too. When we learn their music, we show respect, we show interest, we show humility. We remind each other of what makes our shared music possible.